You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with finding the midpoint between 2 points. The midpoint between the 2 points is -21,8. Let's solve it step by step. Plot the 2 points and calculate the midpoint using the formula. The coordinates of point 1 are x1 equals 22, y1 equals 12. The coordinates of point 2 are x2 equals -64, y2 equals 4. PM represents the midpoint of the 2 points. Use the x values in the midpoint formula to find the midpoints x. x1 equals 22. x2 equals -64. Simplify the arithmetic. Use the y values in the midpoint formula to find the midpoints y. y1 equals 12. y2 equals 4. Simplify the arithmetic. And so, the midpoint is -21,8.